Welcome to Waywiser Software Tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to add a new vehicle, edit a vehicle and create vehicle types and categories. Once again we're going to go back up to the main menu bar at the top of the software and we're going to move along to settings, dropping down to vehicles. The first thing we want to do is to go to vehicle type. Here you'll see that a current list of vehicle types that are set up in the system, and we can simply remove any of those by clicking on the bin. Are you sure? Yes. We've now deleted the category People Carrier. To reinstate that category, let's click on New Vehicle Type, Create People Carrier, and simply save it. We've now reinstated the type of vehicle called People Carrier. You can create as many vehicle types as you wish. Once you've created your vehicle type, you can then create a category of vehicles. Here we have again a number of pre-listed vehicle categories, and today we're going to create a new one which is called V-Class to fit into the People Carrier category. It'll show the carrying capacity of the vehicle here and the rank position here. The purpose of the rank position is to show the customer which vehicle it will be presented with prices once they perform a quotation. So let's create a new vehicle. We're going to select the vehicle carrier, the vehicle category, People Carrier, and we're going to call it Mercedes V-Class. The software itself will tell you which of these fields you need to complete as mandatory fields before it will allow you to save. Let's show you how that works. So the first thing we're going to do is put in the vehicle carrying capacity, which is 7 people. We're going to show this on number 9 in terms of the pricing. That's the position that the customers will see this vehicle. You can write in here any notes about the vehicle. So forward facing seats, complete with television DVD. You can put in a suitcase carrying capacity. Again, this will all be shown to the customer at the time when they do any form of online quotation. You can select whether or not there's any VAT required, what fuel tariff you'd like, and again, this information here is all used to calculate the job performance and profitability. We're going to add in the rental cost of the vehicle per month, the insurance cost of the vehicle per month, a budget for maintenance, a budget for cleaning, a budget for storing, and a budget for covering overhead cost. We'll then put in the average number of working hours per month, and we'll estimate that at 300, and that's how we will normalise any costs associated with operating this vehicle. And we'll put a simple driver hour cost of £10 per hour. Once all that's been completed, you can upload any images of the vehicles. Again, this will be shown to the customer at the time that they do an online quotation or booking, and you must always activate the booking and press save. We've now created a new category called Mercedes V-Class. Once we've created that category, we can now create a vehicle itself. So let's go into vehicles, and we're going to create a new vehicle in exactly the same way by putting the fleet number, which is the registration, how many seats the vehicle has, the registration number, we're going to make that the same as the fleet number, and again you can put in all other information about that particular vehicle, the type of fuel it uses, the make and model, and other information on engine capacity, MOT, license start and finish, insurance policy details, and when services are due and inspections are due. Any information put in here will be flagged and reported to you when those dates come close to expiry. Again, you can put in here certain miles per gallon information, all of which are used to calculate job profitability, something we'll show you later. And again, we can activate that vehicle. We must always activate the vehicle to see it, and to book it. The important thing about that as well, of course, is that if a vehicle goes out of service, and if you want to remove a vehicle from being allocated to jobs, you can deactivate it here, but it will still be maintained in the customer database. Okay, and let's have a look to see whether or not we can find our latest vehicle. We've created a vehicle here, DG12UHG, and actually, as you can see, we've assigned it to the wrong vehicle category. Let's edit it by clicking on the pencil, and we'll select the vehicle category of Mercedes V-Class. We'll now resave that, and we can see immediately the vehicle has been resaved as a V-Class Mercedes with 7-seat capacity, and it's active and ready to go. That is how to create a new vehicle type, a new vehicle category, and to add a new vehicle into the database. Thanks for watching.